It seems to me that we will be looking at a squeeze play here. That's what I see on the 4-hour euro pound. I see this. I could be wrong. It's been known to happen before, but if this is the case, what we're going to see here is a big fall. It's going to break out with a giant bearish candle, maybe come back up and touch the floor here, the horizontal level, and then go all the way down to 84.50. And the numbers on the euro pound are ever so slightly bearish right now, which suggests that maybe it is going to go. And if it goes, and it goes lower pretty hard, I would expect those numbers to become red, because a lot of traders will jump in and try and buy it up. A lot of retail traders will think it's hit support or something, when actually it's broken support and it's going to go. But that to me is a really nice looking setup too, the euro pound.
Well, friends, I'll be. What do we have here? It's the euro pound again. And we were talking about this during the Asian session, and right now we're smack dab in the middle of London. And I had mentioned that it looked like it was a squeeze play. Well, I'll be. We got a squeeze play out of this sucker. So it fell as expected. Now, there's a couple of things that could happen here. Thing number one is that the current candle, which is going to close in 14 minutes, the current 4-hour euro pound candle, is going to close in 14 minutes. And that means that it hops all the way up here and closes up above the 85.03 level, and therefore we have a false breakout, right? Thing number two is that it kind of sits here, and this is the entire depth of the retracement, and then eventually this candle, and then maybe the next one goes down, maybe the next one goes up or whatever, and then finally it falls all the way down to that 84.50 target area. And then thing number three that it could do, and it could do way more things than just three, but these are the most likely ones as I see it. Thing number three is that it actually eventually works its way back up here to 85.03 and then bounces hard off of that and goes all the way back down to the 84.50 target area. So just wanted to point out that this was indeed a squeeze play. It looked like a squeeze play. It smelled like a squeeze play. The numbers were telling us that it was probably going to be a squeeze play. You can see here that the euro pound numbers are still slightly bearish at 67% of our traders are long, but it's not to the point where it's over 70 yet, which is unfortunate. But maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll get there if it's a little bit lower. So again, I just wanted to point out that we do have a squeeze play, and whether or not the squeeze play ends up being a false breakout, unlikely, unless again it rockets up in the next 11 minutes. Or it comes up and bounces off the floor of that squeeze play, then either way, it's at this stage, it's fairly likely to come down to 84.50 at this stage, because it's kind of unfolding as usual, as many of these do. So there you have it. I wish you happy trading. And if you'd like to join us in the forum, you can click the link down below this video and get in on these video updates as they occur. We've got one live session on Mondays. We've got one update on Fridays. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, the main trading days, we have one video update during Asia and one European session update as well on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So there's two of those updates in the meat of the week, as we like to say. So I wish you happy trading. We'll see you soon.